This is a quick review and installation of an air filter for a 2022 Santa Cruz. This filter fits a number of different model years and models, including the Sorento and the Santa Fe, but double check that it fits your vehicle. It's very simple to install. This happens to be the JM1000. The reason why I bought it was it had a lot of positive reviews. At the time of this recording, 349 at 4.8 stars. And a lot of people said it looked identical to the OEM one, which I have right here. And comparing the two, I would agree. The fabric, the molding, everything looks OEM. The one issue I did have, this is the locking mechanism. This locks and unlocks the filter. I'll explain that in just a second. But it was not fully installed, and so I just had to snap it in place. So double check that if you end up getting this filter. As far as the filter goes, all you need to do, go to the driver's side door. Down on the bottom left, you'll see the latch. Go ahead and pull that back, pop the trunk open, put the prop rod in. On the right-hand side towards the front is where you're going to see the air cleaner box. There's a little cover. Just pull that open, and then you will see these tabs. And on the front, there are indications if it's locked or unlocked. All you need to do is just rotate to unlock it. This will slide out. If you slide it out just a little bit and you notice, oh my goodness, it's clean, I don't need to replace it, make sure you pull it all the way out because the air gets drawn up from the bottom, and the bottom side is where all the dirt and muck and mess is. So I've got bugs in here, I've got grass, dirt, the whole 9 yards. The other thing I did on my OEM is I put the date and the mileage on it. That way I can quickly check it down the road if I want to. Once you've slid out the filter that's in there, this one just going to slide in the same way. And then you're just going to take these tabs, lock them, drop that cover down, close the hood, and you're ready to rock and roll. It literally takes less than a minute to install. Very, very simple. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave those down below.